Vancouver English. Common and useful English expressions. Lesson 9.
It's pouring. It's pouring outside. Bring an umbrella.
Come on, man, it's pouring out there. Come on, man, it's pouring out there.
Rain, cats and dogs. It's going to rain cats and dogs tomorrow.
Whoa! It's raining cats and dogs out there. Whoa! It's raining cats and dogs out there.
Roll in. Fog rolled in overnight. Drive safe.
The storm is rolling in. The storm is rolling in.
Take a rain check. Can I take a rain check on our dinner tonight? I'm not feeling well.
Rain check?
Yeah, rain check.
Rain check?
Yeah, rain check.
Rain or shine. They play soccer every Sunday, rain or shine.
Every morning at 8 a.m., rain or shine. Every morning at 8 a.m., rain or shine.
Break the ice. We need someone to break the ice.
I'll break the ice. I'll break the ice.
Blow up. Oliver blew up yesterday. What happened?
I am so sorry for blowing up yesterday. I am so sorry for blowing up yesterday.
Chill. I am gonna chill tonight.
I'm very chill. I'm very chill.
Keep one's cool. I try to keep my cool.
Keep your cool. Now we're great. Keep your cool. Now we're great.
Have a blast. They are having a blast.
We're gonna have a blast. We're gonna have a blast.
Snow day. It's a snow day, so school is closed.
Snow day! Snow day!
Breeze. The task was a breeze for me.
This life is a breeze. This life is a breeze.
Can't control the weather. Nobody can control the weather.
But we can't control the weather, Dad. But we can't control the weather, Dad.
It is what it is. Well, the sale is over. It is what it is.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Story time.
It's pouring outside.
Yes, it's raining cats and dogs.
A big rainstorm is forecast for next week, too. Heavy clouds will roll in this weekend. We might have to take a rain check on our team building event in the park.
Well, it's rain or shine, but let's see. Team building is good for breaking the ice with new workers.
I agree, but I hate being outside in the rain. If that happens, I might blow up.
Chill, buddy. We might have a blast. Keep your cool.
You are right. The weather has been strange these days. I wonder if we'll get much snow this winter again. There were many snow days at school last year.
Kids always love skipping school. But working parents have to find childcare on a snow day. It was a real breeze when my parents helped out nearby.
Well, we can't control the weather. It is what it is.
Summary. Thank you.